After being hacked, cyber crooks increasingly are targeting small businesses to steal information, customer data, and sensitive product details, such as passwords of bank account or credit cards. Attackers also may try to hijack company computers or websites and use them to attack others online. As they know, most small business lack the security expertise, data protections, and response tools that large companies have at their disposal. Having a security recovery plan can make the process smoother and less expensive. So we recommend you to take some critical steps if your business has been hacked. Find out what happened. To respond effectively, get a full picture of what happened, including how the hackers got in, which computers and accounts were compromised, which data was accessed or stolen, and whether any other party, such as customers or business partners, were affected. Seek legal advice. If you don't have a special cyber insurance policy that will provide an experienced attorney, you may need to hire one to navigate the legal issues. For instance, when hackers gain access to the personal information of customers or employees, you likely have a legal obligation to notify them. You may also be required to alert state authorities. Communicate early and often. Quick and honest communication with effective employees, customers, and partners about what happened, what you are doing about the problem, and what they need to do is often more than just a legal requirement. It may be necessary to salvage your business. Eliminate the problem. To limit the damage, you may need to take disruptive and costly steps, such as removing infected computers and shutting down your website while you clean up. Consider reformatting hacked computers and restoring data with clean backups. If hackers exploited a software flaw, apply a patch from the software maker that fixed the problem. If they stole passwords, secure your accounts and set new complex passwords that will be hard to crack. Rebuild. Put in place the technology and policies to help fend off future attacks. Make sure your computer operating system and other software are current and, if possible, receiving automatic update to fix bugs. Revisit your security plan. Make sure your security defenses are running properly and that data is being backed up securely. Check with customers, partners, and vendors to see what they are doing to protect your data. Consider buying a cyber insurance policy if you don't already have one. Also, create a disaster recovery plan and train employees so everyone can respond quickly and calmly if faced with a hack or other crisis again.